Hey, my name's Danny, and today we're going to replace an AC run capacitor. First thing we want to do is turn the thermostats off in the house to make sure the system isn't trying to come on. It's just a precaution, but then let's come in here and we're going to turn off the breakers on the AC as well. So you find your breakers out here that say AC and just flip them to the off position just to make sure. Alright, that's the first step. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this breaker out. Okay, this is for my downstairs unit. I know it's this unit. See, we've got two down here. But we're going to pull this breaker out and make sure that we don't have any voltage going to this condenser. Okay, this is high voltage, so pull this breaker out. Let's leave it up here so we don't lose it. Alright, I've already got the side panel off here. And if you see over here, you go ahead and take off the access panel so we can get into where the capacitor is. Let's pop this off. And we've got access to the capacitor down here, right here. So what you do here is you go from the old one, and each terminal you just pull the wires off and you put them on the terminal one at a time on the new one. That way you don't get things mixed up. When you're doing this, make sure that they're seated really well so you get a good connection. Okay, give those things a good push. Make sure they're on there real well. Check your wires, make sure you don't have any breaks in the wires. Everything's connected well. And then basically, I'm going to take the new capacitor, strap it back in. Make sure that you have your data information outward. That way next time you forget which kind of capacitor you had, can come out here and look at it. Put this back in here. This one looks like it's a little bit smaller. Got some wiggle room in there. So what we'll do is we'll get a piece of something and stick it in here so it's not loose in there. So we'll get a So, inspecting the old capacitor, we've got a bulge here at the cap, which typically indicates